Welcome back to Fancy Food for people who make food only from their pantry. I'm MJ. Today we're making a meal so simple, so powerful, so mighty that it has fed kings, children's moms, who all gave up a long time ago. A shelf-stable peanut butter and jelly sandwich with stovetop popcorn. Yes, we're just fancy like that. Step 1, the bread. I made homemade sourdough because I'm that girl now. Yeah, right. Do I stretch and fold 72 times? No, it's literally like 10 minutes of work. I mix it and forget about it. Doubles, throw it in the oven, bam, you've got bread. Now we're gonna slice that bread nice and thick. Step 2, the peanut butter. This is shelf-stable peanut butter, like Gall peanut butter. We do not refrigerate, we don't struggle, we don't bother. Whether you're a pioneer or a modern woman, peanut butter is the go-to. You spread it on. It's not too complicated. Unless you put too much peanut butter on, then it sticks to the roof of your mouth, then that's your own adventure that you can deal with. Step 3, jelly. Now this jelly, shelf stable as well. We aren't opening the fridge today because the fridge does not know us. The fridge is dead to us. We are fridge-free here. We are living off the pantry. Now, to be extra, we use a spoon. A spoon gathers more happiness and smears better than a knife. I love the spoon. Spoon brings all the happiness. We're gonna cut it however our soul desires. Today it's diagonal because, like I said, I'm fancy like that. Now for the popcorn. Popcorn is the side dish of moms who are done because it is cheap and loud, and kids love loud food. Put one kernel in the pot, wait till that thing pops. Now you're ready for the rest of your kernels. Pour a quarter cup of popcorn kernels in and let them cook. Start shaking. Once you hear it popping, you know you're doing right. And when the popping starts dying down, open up and reveal the glorious popcorn. Plate it up, PB&J with a side of popcorn. This meal says, I care about feeding my family, but I also refuse to spend more than 4 minutes doing it. Balance. Take a bite. Soft, sweet, delicious. A full sensory experience. Okay, friend, that's lunch. No fridge, no chopping, and this meal truly is actually shelf stable. As long as you know how to make bread, then I've got the hack for you. So follow me for more shelf stable genius fun and check out loadedpotato.org for all my shelf stable recipes. See you next time.